Morning and Assalamu alaikum. Today I am here to explain the topic regional languages of Pakistan. Okay, today we are going to discuss in this chapter importance of the languages, different languages used in the subcontinent and why we chosen as a Urdu as a national language. Importance of the language for the communication. For example, if you want to share your ideas, your views, you need to communicate with each other, you need a language. And the other thing, a common language increase the understanding in the nation and build their unity. Different languages in subcontinent. Even since the Islam came into the subcontinent, there have been different language. What is the reason behind that? The different groups came into the subcontinent and they brought with them a different languages. For example, Arabic, Persian, Turkish. Now the Persian going to put a great impact in the subcontinent. That is the reason it is the official language of the court of the Mughal emperors. And first time Quran was translated by into the Persian language. Now, second thing is that when we're going to see that the different poets and writer also going to write in the Persian language and import, you can say the sport the Persian language and develop the Persian language. For example, the Amir Khusro and Shah Waliullah, they write the literature and different books into the Persian. Okay, Urdu is a symbol of unity. Now, this is a very interesting topic we're going to see here. Why Urdu is important? First of all, Urdu play a major role in the Pakistan movement. How you can say that reason is behind that that time period Hindu want to replace with the Hindi and Urdu was a symbol of Muslims. So Sir Syed Ahmad Khan that time first time introduced two nation theory and support the Urdu. Even that the Muslim League was formed not only to defend the Muslims but also to protect the Urdu. So that the main reason for the independence for our independence. Okay, now become a national language. Our partition. Why the Qaeda chosen as a national language? Because all over the four provinces, the Urdu language was spoken and understood by each and everyone. For example, if you go through the Punjab, Sindh, or any province, you know very well everyone understands the Urdu language. Development of the Urdu language in Mughal time period. It's very interesting thing that the different peoples came into the armies of the Mughals. For example, Arabic, Persian, and Turkish. So they brought with them the different languages, but they want one language for the communication. And now new language was developed that is called Urdu. Now in the Urdu you found out the Arabic words, Persian, and the different languages word also find out here. Amir Khusro, Bahadur Shah Zafar, they write on a lot of the literature and develop the Urdu language. Now the Aligarh University play a major role here. Because the Aligarh University translated different books into the Urdu and promote even that they write on the magazines into the Urdu and promote the Urdu here. And the translating of the Quran into the Urdu was the very famous work done by the Abdul Qadir also, and different poets Allama Iqbal, Shibli Numani, and different type of the different poets that time period they write on the poetries and literature to develop the Urdu language. 1857, when we development of the Urdu after 1857, one thing remember, you all remember that time period British stopped the supporting the Muslims. Reason behind that is, what is the reason? We're going to see that the Hindu put all the blame of the war of independence on the Muslims. Now that is the reason you can say that the Urdu controversy was started and Sir Syed going to support the Urdu here. Again he going to support here with the two nation theory because he want the Hindu want to replace with the Hindi language and they want the Hindi as an official language. Now, how many languages were spoken here? Anyone know? About 72 languages were spoken in the Pakistan, but most commonly again the Urdu language. Now, Urdu language is the language of Pakistan. Qaeda also promote here and different type of the time period television program, magazines, and these all types of things we're going to promote the Urdu language. Practice questions we are going to get here. Why there does the subcontinent many languages? Already everyone knew that the why question will start it. You know that the 7 marks according to the CIA pattern. Now we're going to see that why the language is important. Okay, you attempt all these questions, and I hope you understand the topic. Thank you so much.